We're here for the love of yoga. Poised on the mountaintop that I've created here at home. This one is made out of laundry that I just keep washing but not folding. Because I'm trying to live my life. So, yes. You are hanging out with me in my guest room, and this is where I throw all of my clean laundry. Normally I don't sit on top of it, but I thought I would try that today, and it's quite awesome. Definitely a new way to enjoy doing laundry. Because why fold it when you can climb up top and meditate from a mountaintop? I've actually gotten into it like a really good spot where my sit bones are rounded down, and feel confident in showing the world that sometimes we're a mess. But sometimes I guess that mess can be fun. So I just hope for anybody out there, if you're having a messy day, I hope there's some fun that comes out of it. Enlighten me, and there's enlighten you. Namaste.